welcome to the Verifier Hub CRM. This application is designed for a cybersecurity verification team to manage clients' verification cases, staffs, assignments, secure client information collection, workflow progress, imports, and administrative activity in one place. The system has three internal roles: admin, manager, and staff, plus a secure public experience for clients. So let's start with the sign in to the dashboard from the admin. So I have already created the user for admin, client, and staff. So sorry, manager and staff. So let's sign in. Here is the dashboard for the Verifier Hub. Uh, so we can the I will begin by signing in as an administrator. Authentication is protected by JWT access token with refresh handling. When we do refresh, you can see it will maintain the session, restoring session, and then come back to the admin if the token is not expired. So when we come to admin dashboard after sign in, provides a quick operational overview including total activities. Total active clients, open cases, under review cases, and complete cases. So unassigned cases and the new this week, how many new this week cases has been created. So requiring attention, 0 unassignment cases, 4 created in last 7 days. Cases by workflow stages, what is the workflow stage for the case right now. Pending verifications, 1 new created, 2 completed, 1. So there are also case requiring attention. So we have latest cases here that we have recently created right now. So let's start with the client management. In the client management, uh, from clients authorized, user can search, filter, and open client records. You can search, filter, and with the A to Z, and also recent updates, all states is active users, and inactive users, and archive users, clients. So with the we can search with uh, search box. And also on the other hand, if I talk about other details, these are the main clients, and we can create new client from here. And when we create a new client, there are basic information, contact information, additional information, in which we have internal nodes. So I will show you the new client. When I will create a new client, the name is let's say, and the information is, I am just adding a test values in this. So yes, we have created a new client, and there we can create a case for this specific client, edit client, archive client. The the interface uses the term client consistency and keep internal IDs and technical values hidden. Archive clients remain available for history, but they cannot receive new cases or secure links. Secure client form. On client details, admin and manager users have a secure client form section. This creates a secure one-time link. So this is the generation of secure link. Secure one-time link that allows the client to review and submit their information without signing into the CRM. I can choose an expiry period from here, let's say 7 day, and I will generate a secure link. And the raw link is shown only after generation or regeneration and is not stored in browser persistence. Existing link can be revoked or regenerated. I will now open the secure link in a private browser. I will in a private browser window. Notice that the client does not see the CRM sidebar staff. See, you can see that. You notice that the client does not see the CRM sidebar, staff information, internal notes, or case data. The client reviews the spotted field, selected a review, confirm the information, and then review the information, and after that update the information and review the information and submit the information. So when we come back to this client, you can see that the active secure link is now submitted. So the case flow back in the CRM, I can create a case for an active client. I can create a case for the active client. Let's say any the active client may be a company or a client individual. So let me select this and continue case title. I will add the any case title. Okay, so test case. You can select the type of case, suspicious email or suspicious SMS, medium, low to high, and any kind of priority that you want to set. Then continue. Then you can assign this case to the any staff member. See, you can see admin here, staff, manager, staff. You can assign anyone from this staff. Continue, and then the case will be created. So when the case will be created, here is the case summary. So you can add the case notes. We are now in the cases tab, and the new case number has been assigned, and the assignee task assigning staff is here, and you admin can unassign this. So admin can reassign anyone other who he want to add, and admin can also or staff can also update the status who has the authority to this page. So I will show you the other side of the system, that when the staff and manager can log in, then what they will see. So the admin can also edit these cases, and here is the staff. You can search staff from here, create new staffs, and here is the import clients. So I have added the download import template. After the download of template, you can add multiple data for the clients, and then upload your complete Excel file or CSV. So I have already created an Excel for showing the demo. Let me show you that. So here is the verifier client import. So after the upload, we can check the file. So here is the users. So basically the type was individual. The issue in this sheet is the type was individual, and because the type was individual and the name was for the company, so that's why messages first name and last name are required for individuals. If we select from the sheet, let me show you the sheet also. If we select from the sheet that it's a company, so then there will not an issue like this. I will upload this again. Maybe I have saved this or not. First of all, I will save this and then upload this again and check the file. So client type must be individual or organization. See, you can see the message is telling everything that what should be here. It should not be company, it should be organization. Okay, I have added here organization and then save this again. Now we will upload the Excel sheet again. When I upload and check the file, now see everything is ready. Results are ready, and when I confirm import, it will tell the 3 imported, 3 zero skip, and 3 total processed. View clients. We will see the clients. I have added these clients. Okay. So these were the clients that I have added in the sheet. These are at the top of the sheet. We have seen new as first. Okay. So let's move to the next part, workflow management. In the workflow management, we have added these stages. The workflow screen is admin only. An administrator can add or edit a case status, change its availability, and move it or down using accessible controls this way. Okay. So stereo control is how progress is displayed. Allow status change remain protected by system rules and are not editable from this screen. So these are the recent activities that we have performed on this complete CRM. On the 30th July, I have made these changes. Let's say I have created a case created and case stage change, secure link generated, client portal submitted, and then client created, secure link generated, client portal submitted, case created, and I mean to say these are the activity logs for the system. You can view the details from here. So here is the detail of imported files that we have did perform by admin. So now let me show you the other workflow for the manager and the client. Oh, sorry, staff. I will log out, then I will log in as a staff or manager. It's a manager. So this is the manager view. In the manager view, we don't have a permission. Manager cannot see the workflows. Manager can import. Manager cannot see the activities that is performing in the system, and the manager can create cases, and also manager can create clients. So this is dashboard is also shown to manager. And also on the other hand, if we talk about the staff members can only view the dashboard and the clients and also the cases. It's only that cases who assigned to this specific staff. So this is the complete workflow of the CRM. Thank you very much. And now we test the logout. You can log out after that. After the logout, you cannot use the same uh, authentication and authorization have properly handled in this system. I have deployed this on my test server. Both the APIs and the front end side both are deployed on my server. I will share with you a documentation for the complete system. This document will guide you how you have to use this system. Thank you very much.